To make money from the stock market, you can either day trade or value invest within a day or two and then sell it off to make profit. Of course, you can do that. In this video, we are going to look at how to invest in the US stock market. Before that, we're also going to look at what a stock is, what a stock exchange is, what a stockbroker is, and other important things you need to know if you're looking to invest in the stock market. A stock is basically a share value of any company. So if, let's say, for example, you own stocks in a particular company, it means that when that company makes money and their share price goes up, your value also goes up. The stock exchange is basically where stocks are bought and sold, right? That's where people who are looking to sell their stocks will sell it off, and people who are looking to buy would also buy from, right? But then to be able to buy and sell stocks from the stock exchange, you will need a broker. Right now, there are so many online brokers that you can use to buy stocks or sell stocks online. One of them in Ghana or Nigeria is Bamboo. Bamboo is a great platform you can use to invest in the US stock market, and it makes it easier for people living in Ghana and Nigeria because you can easily transact using mobile money. Aside that, if you don't live in Ghana or Nigeria and you're still looking to invest in the US stock market, you can check out Trading 212. You can make money from the stock market through so many ways, right? But a lot of people go with day trading or value investing. Day trading basically means that you are buying the stocks and holding it for like a day or two and selling it off quickly as soon as you realize that the share price has risen to a point that you can make some profit off it. So you can quickly go back and buy another stock and do the same process again. But this is risky, and it's also very difficult. In fact, you need a lot of capital to be able to do this and make money. But then the best way to go about investing and making a lot of money over time is through value investing. And that's what people such as Warren Buffett have done over the years. What they do basically is they buy shares of every company or whichever company they want, and then they hold it over a period. It could be 10 years, it could be 5 years, it could be 13 years. And when that company's stock price rise, then they make a lot of money. Now, before we get into anything, I want to state that I am not a financial advisor. This is all based off personal experience. So before you go ahead to commit to anything, kindly speak to an expert. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to download the Bamboo app onto our smartphone so we'll be able to access the US stock market. So let's go to Play Store. You can also find it on the App Store if you're using iOS. Android, you find it on the Play Store, right? Now, if you come into Play Store, you just type Bamboo, search for it, that's it. Then you tap on download or install if you haven't done that already. Mine is already installed, so I'm just going to tap on open. Right now, it says start building wealth. That is what you're going to tap on if you are new and then you're looking to create an account so you can go ahead and buy stocks. Okay, so you choose your country, Ghana or Nigeria, and then you move forward with the various steps you have to go through. It's not so long, you'll be able to do it simply. I already have an account, so I'm just going to tap on login here, and then I'm going to put my phone number here and put my password. Then we tap on login. So now it's asking me to, enable a 4-digit code. That possibly that's what I'm going to use to log in anytime I'm trying to access it. So I'm just going to put it in, confirm. Okay. This is a notification. As of the time I'm recording this video, it's Monday, 15th January, and it's saying that it's a holiday in the US. That means the stock market is closed. The stock market is only open on weekdays between 9:30 a.m. EST and 4 p.m. EST. That's the Eastern time, right? If you make an order before the stock market is open, it's going to hold and then execute as soon as the stock market is open. All right. So that's what we're going to do since the stock market is currently closed. Okay. So we're going to tap on done. And as you can see, we've got $36 here. That is, a share value of Apple stock. So we're going to go to account. As you can see, I've got $2.29 in the USD wallet. The GHS wallet is empty. We're going to tap on deposit, and then we're going to select Ghana CD wallet. We're going to input 150 cedis, okay? We're getting about 11.95 USD. So we're going to tap on deposit 150 cedis, and then we tap on CD mobile money deposit. So Okay, so the deposit has gone through and then we've seen a successful message here. So you can go ahead and use this to buy stocks directly. But normally what I prefer to do is to move this into my USD account so I can see realistically how much I have in dollars before I make any transaction. So I tap on this button in the middle here. And then here it says Ghana CD wallet to USD wallet. Yes, that's what I want. And then I put in my 150. Okay, thanks. Now, how do we buy a stock? Okay, so let's tap on home. And over here, you see a buy a stock button here. If you tap on that, you'll be able to, search through any stock you want to buy and then purchase it right away. You find Apple, Amazon, Disney, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Shopify, Tesla. They are all listed here. Okay, we're going to buy a PayPal stock. So we tap on buy a stock, we search for PayPal, right? That is it, PayPal Holdings. Okay, we tap on that. And then we tap on buy now. And then we put in how much we want to buy. So let's put in here $13. Okay. And then it's telling us that our number of shares is 0.213115. Now we tap on review order and then we select our USD wallet. You just tap on place order. It says that the market is closed. It's going to be open Tuesday, 2:30 p.m. So I'm just going to tap yes. Okay, so our order is now processed. So now we just have to wait for the stock market to open for our order to go through. But then if you're buying it around 2:30 p.m. on a working day and then the stock market is open, as soon as you purchase, this will go through. So living in Ghana or Nigeria, you can still use mobile money to invest in the US stock market and own some, company shares for yourself, grow your wealth, build wealth, and all of that. It's great. So of course, tap in. Okay. In the description of this video, I've got a link that will take you to a page where I've got a list of stockbrokers where you can check out the one that is better for you to invest in the US stock market. Of course, some of them are not accessible in Ghana, Nigeria, or some part of Africa, but some do. I've listed all of them there so you can go through them and check out the one that works best for you. If you're living in Ghana and you are finding it difficult to save and grow your money, to be able to invest in cryptocurrency or stocks or buy any other form of investment, you should check out my video on that. I've got a video on how you can do this seamlessly using MTN mobile money. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point. If you're new here, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. We've got a lot of stuff coming your way soon, so do subscribe, join the community, let's tag along. My name is Alfred and I'll see you in another video. I'm out.